Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with inspiring inputs. Mental toughness is the ability to consistently perform toward the upper range of your talent and skill, regardless of the competitive circumstances. Mental toughness is essential to success. Concentration and mental toughness are the margins of victory. A strong mind is one of the key components that separates the great from the good. The strength of your mind determines the quality of your life. He who believes is strong. He who doubts is weak. Strong convictions precede great actions. Increasing the strength of our minds is the only way to reduce the difficulty of life. Mental strength induces mind and body. In order to be effective, you need not only virtue but also mental strength. Mental strength is really important because you either win or lose in your mind. Mental strength is what separates champions from near champions. Strength grows in the moments when you think you can't go on, but you keep going anyway. The ability to continue moving when you are feeling scared, fearful, or lazy is the sign of true mental strength. Nothing can stop the man with the right mental attitude from achieving his goal. Nothing on earth can help the man with the wrong mental attitude. Make up your mind that no matter what comes your way, no matter how difficult, no matter how unfair, you will do more than simply survive. You will thrive in spite of it. At the end of your struggles, challenges, and obstacles comes the mental strength to cross many boundaries in the future. There is no limit to the power of the human mind. The more concentrated it is, the more power is brought to bear on one point. The only way of finding the limits of the possible is by going beyond them into the impossible. Without inspiration, the best powers of the mind remain dormant. There is a fuel in us which needs to be ignited with sparks. Enter every activity without giving mental recognition to the possibility of defeat. Concentrate on your strengths instead of your weaknesses, on your powers instead of your problems. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Your comments and suggestions are invited. Have a good day.